Today we're making Ritz crackers, and we're going to need 2 cups of flour, just like so, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in. 2 tablespoons of canola oil. Put in a little water at a time. 1/2 cup. Try to break the butter up in it, but it calls for cold butter, so we have to mix it all up. And really get it all combined it together. So make sure everybody cleans their hands. So it's going to form a dough ball. Gotta sprinkle a little flour on the table, on your chopping board. Now that we have our ball, we're gonna go ahead and roll it out as thin as we can get it. We're going to go ahead and cut out our little, use a cookie cutter. We're going to cut out circles, just like so. Drop them onto our parchment paper.
Just keep doing the same thing.
What I do now is take your 3 tablespoons of canola oil and a tablespoon of salt, and take your little brush and wet the top on each one.
You guys.
Now we're going to put them in the oven. Set your timer on for 10 minutes on 400 to make sure you don't overcook them. They all finished, you guys. Crunchy. I was too hot. Get that out, you guys. It's a creamy cheese. It's an Italian cheese, you guys. So we're going to put a piece of apple on it. Put that on a cracker.